Hey guys, Mr. Anwar in here for another video that I hope you guys like. As I said today that I make another video, it will be about FIFA version. And hope you guys like this video. I'll be showing you all the pets that I have. I did put this thing for a week. I just got 2 packs. So let me know how I do in the comments below. For the girls team, first page. I do have a few stuff. Camera can't see. So you got that. Those two things. Next page, I got that softball. I have 2 complete stadiums and 5 stadiums. Some of many people on my video, but if you look at my Croatia team, you'll see some difference. It's not my best team. England is different. Stop zooming in randomly here. Stop. There, my Mexico. Okay, 3 people left on Cameroon. Spain, I got 5 people left. I know that. Here is one of my things. Chile, Jake, 3 people left. Australia, stop. 5 people left. Colombia, 2 people. Greece, Ivory Coast, Ukraine, Costa Rica, stupid gravity. Yay! My England! All of that. Just need that one thing over here. One thing. Come on. Go to the thing and get this finishing your team. And Italia, yay! I have dish guard. I also have dish guard. France, 2 people. Honduras, Argentina, 2 people. Macedonia, Iran, Algeria, Germany, Portugal, United States, Belgium, Hungary, Russia, Korean Republic, South Korea, nothing here, just pictures. And my last one, Thank you guys all for watching. See you on my next video.